Right, guys, here we go. We are riding the Mind Eraser here at Six Flags America. Now, we want you guys to post in the comment section below your thoughts on Mind Eraser, and hopefully it has not erased your mind before you can think of anything, but it's very important. Please post in the comment section below. Tell us what you think of the ride that will delete your memories forever. Here we go, guys. We're about to have our minds erased. Oh my God. Oh, whee! Oh yeah. Oh, it's erasing my mind. Oh man. More memories deleted. Here we go. Brain cell deletion! Woohoo! Oh man, my brain is completely toast now, and my mind totally erased. Woo! Man, once again, post in the comments, let us know your thoughts on the Mind Eraser, and hopefully those thoughts have not been permanently destroyed. And we're done.